Changing the default image duration in CapCut PC saves you from dragging every single photo on your timeline manually. Let us fix this right now so your future imports are exactly the length you want. First, open CapCut on your computer and look at the top left corner of the main interface. Click on Menu and a drop-down list will appear. From this list, scroll down to where it says Settings and click it. A new Preferences window will pop up in the middle of your screen. At the top of this window, you will see several tabs like Project, Edit, Performance, and Language. You need to click on the Edit tab. Inside this section, the very first option is Frame Rate, and right below that, you will find Image Duration. By default, it is usually set to 5 seconds. Click inside the text box next to Image Duration and type in your new preferred timing, like 3 seconds or 1 second. Now, that goes both ways when it comes to editing efficiency. The important thing is that this setting change is not retroactive. This means any images already sitting on your timeline will stay their original length. The trade-off is that this only applies to new photos you import after hitting save. If you change this setting mid-project, you lose the ability to automatically fix the images you already laid down, so you will still have to resize those old ones manually. Once you have typed in your new number, look at the bottom right corner of the settings window and click the blue Save button. To test it out, go to your media bin, import a few fresh photos, and drop them onto your timeline. You will see they now automatically stretch to your exact new timing. In my case, setting it to 3 seconds makes creating fast-paced slideshows much quicker. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one.